We work hard and we play hard. You ever heard that saying that says, all work and no play makes Jack what? A dull boy. So, this is one of our celebrations in the office, and you all know that it's summer and there is no summer without a barbecue. Okay, so this is one of our barbecue celebrations, and we were appreciated with that beautiful cake that you see there. And this is one reason why every time I feel, sad at home that I don't want to go to work, when I remember, the settings and the type of people that I work with, I just want to be in the office. Even though I'm very sick, sometimes I just want to call in sick, but I feel, why? When you go to the office, you feel alive, you see someone to cheer you up, and you ever even forget that you were feeling sick. The uniqueness of potluck is because people bring different foods. Like you have varieties of food and you just have to pick and choose what you want to eat. I know for some people they don't like spicy food, they might just want to go with the veggies or the snacks or the drinks. But for us, I ate everything on this table. Like I made sure I tasted every single thing. You see that cupcake there? That is rice cake. What you're seeing right there is made with rice. You can imagine how delicious that was. My God. I will say it right here. I didn't really cook as I wanted to because I know the last time we celebrated something like this, I made something. But for this one, I just didn't cook anything. I just brought was it ice cream? I did. I think yeah, it was ice cream that I brought, and it was fun, having different varieties of food. There was this spaghetti on that table that was so delicious. And my colleague that brought it was like her mom made this. It was super, super delicious. I enjoyed it. That cake was out of this world. Like I went like two times to grab that cake. So we party hard and we work hard. We were appreciated, and that's one unique thing I like about my office. You are appreciated for little wins, like little milestones. Every time you do something great, you're appreciated. So yeah, we just had fun. Everyone was vibing, taking pictures and everything. I mean, it was a nice time out because we are coming to the end of summer, and then we thought, oh, if we don't do it now, probably we might not be able to do it. And so we gave it a shot, which was very, very nice. So let me know how you celebrate in your office. How do you people like come together and, vibe? What is your unique thing that you do together? For us, it's always a potluck, it's always a barbecue, it's always celebration. Sometimes we just come together and, just gist, talk about life. Someone is always there to listen to you, no matter what it is. They all have a listening ear. So yeah, I enjoy my office a lot because we always have fun. There's fun, 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 fun. Just talk about fun. You don't even notice that you're doing the job because you're always having fun. You're always in the mood to work because everything works together. So this was my own plate. Like that was the spaghetti I'm telling you about. My goodness, see, I had to zoom in this spaghetti. Like I had to even get the recipe. I'm still gonna ask for that recipe because it looks so delicious and it tastes as much as it looks. My goodness, it just melts into your mouth. I can't begin to explain to you how that tastes, but you have to taste it to know it. Okay. Right. So yeah, I like I said, I tasted everything on that table. The fruits, the veggies, the salad, of course the hot dog, and everything, the cake. Like I said, was so delicious. So you enjoy the rest of the view and let me know how you celebrate in your office, be it Christmas, be it New Year, birthdays. How do you celebrate your stuffs in your office? Let me know. Take care. Bye.